Mai, and I'm a photographer from New York. Today I have the pleasure of presenting you one of the best workshops that Cated offers worldwide. If you are interested in taking an adventure of a lifetime, challenging yourself, unlocking your potentials, discovering new cultures, and immersing yourself in Moroccan culture, this will be a perfect opportunity. Today we present to you Mindful Photography Workshop, which is about capturing the present moments of your life and culture that will help you develop your capacity for mindful presence. It will deepen your understanding of the extraordinary world that surrounds you and the beauty of it. The workshop is all about creating images of the environment where modern lifestyle and culture thrive by using basic principles, tools, and techniques common to both photography and creative mindful practice. You will discover the creative potential in every mindful moment, learning the skills that will keep you more connected to yourself and the world around you. This will help you to strengthen your visual interest and refine your photographic vision for maximum impact on the viewer. With great pleasure, I share with you my photos I took while traveling through Morocco, connecting with the people and the culture.